Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm filming a day in the life. And yeah, so right now what I have planned is I have to go buy consomme for some rice I'm making that I ran out of, so I have to go do that. And then I have to pick up Mateo because I think his car was getting fixed at the dealership, something like that. And then I have to go to work. I have to cook before going to work. And yeah, so just follow me along on this day so you guys can get a little insight of how my days are like. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and keep on watching. So I'm just waiting for Karina now. So she was coming like 5 minutes ago. So fun fact, Karina and I hate going grocery shopping by ourselves, which is really bad. So like whenever one of us needs something, we always drag each other along with us. But yeah, so now I'm just waiting for her. Like I said, she said she was coming at 10:09 and it is 10:11. My, look who finally decides to show up.
Sorry, my dog's a little old man. He couldn't walk outside.
Oh, the dog you left outside yesterday?
Stop, don't do like that.
So we're buying the ingredients. Karina's making fajitas, so she bought that. So the next ingredient is bell peppers. Get it.
Next video.
Next one, this one. Actually, half of one last time. Me and Daphne, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's right.
For a dare plus way.
Oh yeah.
Yum. Stop Target for chicken. Most of them don't have any. Got the chicken. We're heading out to go pick up Mateo right now. Oh, he's going to wait a little longer for us. Sorry, Mateo. Those are so cute. I swear, Target just distracts you so much.
A white plate just goes to Target. I can go to the dog store.
True. I have my personal camera crew right here.
Crew? One person.
Crew? No, I didn't sound like cruise.
What?
I don't know. But we're picking up Mateo now. Okay, how far now?
We've been at the same line. What do you mean it's still a mile?
GPS me.
It's 0.6 miles.
Again, can't distinguish distance. We're coming for you, Mateo. Don't worry.
Why are you acting like you need to get rescued?
It has to be a little intensified. I don't drive freeways. I've only driven on the freeway 5 times, perhaps my entire life. So if you guys want to see a video of me driving on the freeway, let me know down below.
Then turn left onto
This would be pretty scary.
I don't think you're allowed to drive through here.
Calling Mateo Mobile.
Oh my god, they're beautiful.
Look at all those chickens. Dude, we're like
right there.
Karina. Parking.
Fatima, you randomly just are so embarrassed.
Oh my god, the guy's coming to steal your car. Stop. Oh, he was going to tell me something. Okay. BRB.
No, he's really
BRB, guys.
tell you something.
Sorry.
I'm making fish and then Karina's making fajitas. Oh, he hung up on me. Okay, let's go. This car's coming and I'm going to get to
Goodbye, culprit.
Bye, Mateo. Go. You go first. Hurry. Bye. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It's the most embarrassing thing that's ever happened in my life.
The guy came up to my window. I was like,
I love how you asked him on purpose just to like not seem sketch.
the guy was not having it. He said, did you see how he was looking at us when we came in?
Yeah.
He's like, it's right there when you were first there at the beginning.
Weird.
Weird.
Okay, it's right there. You just make a right. I dare you get on the freeway and
No, I can't.
I'll give you $5.
$5? That's like gonna cover my life insurance. I'm gonna head home now, guys, and I will see you guys when I'm home and show you guys what I am cooking. I'm gonna cook this tilapia, and I will show you guys what it looks like after I'm done cooking it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. It's a fish and white rice, avocado with tomatoes with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and lime. Very simple. I literally made this but with salmon last week and I love it. Okay, I'm gonna eat up and get ready for work. I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I am now heading to work. It's been a long morning, but I got all my stuff done. So I am heading out now. I will check back in with you guys when I am off.
Buy for you.
I'm doing it for you.
No, it's a girl sweater.
No, it's not.
No
one will know except everyone watching.
What is this unisex?
You scared Maria. Okay.
Whispering behind the mirror.
You suck at whispering.
No, I didn't say anything. I stayed quiet the whole time.
Okay, I'm gonna look for other stuff. You guys so much for watching. It is already the next day. I'm taking this little baby, Minnie, to the vet. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I think I'm gonna be doing a Spanish one of these, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.